this video, I'm going to talk about how to create campaigns using the bulk sheet. So there's the standard way of going into Campaign Manager, click create, you could create a campaign. Now, if you want to do a lot of those campaigns, sometimes it can get really tedious. There are some faster ways, bulk sheet is being one of them. So I'm back in the bulk sheets. I'm going to highlight everything again, sort and filter to make life easy. But remember what I said, from campaign to campaign, right? That is one campaign. So this is essentially one campaign. Now, when I want to create a campaign using bulk sheets, I'm going to find the closest, most similar campaign to me. So that might be a keyword campaign, might be a product targeting campaign. In this case, let me look. This is the ASIN. So this is a keyword targeting campaign. So let's just say that's what I'm going for, right? If you're going for a product targeting campaign, just try and copy as much as possible. So I'm going to say, for example, I want this campaign, which is a keyword campaign for HBR, Hydrolyte Blue Raz. So I'm going to copy this, go to a new sheet, paste it. Let's insert a row up here and copy the headers so it's easy for us to identify what is what. So now what I did is I essentially copied an active campaign that I know is working fine. And now I'm going to remove anything that's not relevant to this new campaign. So campaign ID obviously is going to change. Ad group ID will change. Portfolio ID, I can leave it as is because I want to keep it in the same portfolio. Now, if you don't want it in the same portfolio, that's fine. You can delete this. But in this case, for me, I copied HBR because I knew I was creating another HBR campaign. So let's keep the portfolio ID. It'll put it in the same portfolio. Ad ID, delete. Keyword ID, delete. We don't have any of that. Campaign, I'm going to rename it HBR, new campaign, just as an example. And then I'm going to copy that to the ad group name. Campaign name for informational purposes, copy that. Ad group name, copy that. Portfolio name should be the same, right? Because it's the same portfolio. Start date, make sure that we have the right start date. So this is 2021, June 25th. So in this case, I want it to start 2022, May 26th, which is today. Targeting type is manual, exactly the same. Everything is enabled, that's fine. Daily budget is 100. This is the same SKU and the same ASIN. Default bid of the ad group, $4. Let's make that 3, right? Just in case a mistake happens and we don't have a bid. And here is where I would put, let's say this is my new bid. This is my new keyword. Match type is broad, could be phrase or exact, whatever. Set the top of search and product pages placements to 0 because we don't have any data yet. And let's swipe all of these. And remember, the most important thing to go all the way to the back where it says operation, we're going to put create. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it here. So now I just created a new campaign. Now, obviously it can't be here. It's not going to work out. So I would recommend that you take this sheet and you put it in a new worksheet and save that worksheet as new campaigns or new bulk campaigns and then upload it to Amazon. So when we're uploading to Amazon, we're going again back in this bulk operations place where we're going to click on this little credit card, bulk operations. So it's going to open up here and we're going to click choose file. And we're going to upload the file that we saved, which is going to be basically this on its own. And you can create this at scale. So you can basically say, okay, I want to create a bunch of different campaigns for Hydrolyte Blue Raz or whatever. And you can just copy, and so on. And, maybe just like color coded or something. So it's easier for you to kind of see the difference. Let's just do this, right? To make it easier to see. This is one campaign. This is one campaign. Oh, actually, we don't need this. I copied the headers. Okay, so these are the different campaigns. And where it says keyword here, you can copy and you can paste. Let's insert and copy, paste. So let's say you wanted 2 keywords. This was a single keyword campaign. So let's say you wanted 2 keywords. So you can add as many keywords as you want. But remember, I don't like to go over 5 keywords because then we don't have enough budget to go across, and then the top ones just take all of the budget. But what we can do is we can create all of these keywords, and then right here where it asks for the keyword, new keyword, this can be new keyword 1, new keyword 2, new keyword 3, new keyword 4, new keyword 5. And so you can create campaigns very, very quickly, very easily. You can have this campaign be broad. Maybe this is going to be phrase. Maybe this is going to be exact. And this is how you utilize bulk sheets to create new campaigns. It's very easy. It's a lot easier than manually going through the steps of creating them. And especially if you want to create a lot of different campaigns at once, using bulk sheets will streamline this process. Now, there's other better ways, obviously using software, but we'll discuss that in another module. So to summarize, guys, jump into the bulk sheets, extract one campaign module based on the closest campaign of what you're creating. So if you're creating an exact keyword campaign that is a keyword for a certain product, let's say product HBR, and you know, whatever else can be similar in HBR portfolio, take the closest, most similar campaign, extract it, and then copy, paste in a new worksheet. Delete everything that's not relevant. Keep only what is relevant, what will relate to all of the other campaigns. Add the new keywords, adjust the budget if you want to, adjust whatever needs to be adjusted. And in that column at the beginning, put create. So Amazon knows that this is creation. Save it and then go into the bulk operations and upload it to Amazon.